Hello, my name is Dr. Heather Burns, Deputy Chief Medical Officer at the Department of Health and Public Health Doctor. You have been identified as a close contact of a confirmed case of COVID-19. Because you have been in close contact with someone who has COVID-19, it is possible you may have picked up the virus from them and that you could spread it to other people. Because of this, you will now need to restrict your movements for 14 days from the date of your last contact with the person who has COVID-19. I want to explain what restricting your movements will mean for you. Restricting your movements means staying at home and avoiding contact with other people as much as possible. You can still go outside to exercise by yourself as long as you keep 2 meters away from other people and as long as you have no symptoms of COVID-19. Here are 4 very important things to remember when restricting your movements. 1. Stay at home. 2. Don't go to work, school, college, or use public transport. 3. Don't have visitors to your home and don't visit other people. 4. Don't go to the shops or the pharmacy unless it is absolutely necessary. Where possible, order your groceries online or ask your family or friends to drop them off for you. If you are caring for someone who has COVID-19 and who cannot self-isolate at home, such as a child, an older person, or someone with a disability, then you should restrict your movements for 17 days instead of 14 days. It is vitally important that you follow this advice to protect the people around you from COVID-19. If you develop symptoms of COVID-19 while you are restricting your movements, such as fever, cough, shortness of breath, or changes to your sense of taste or smell, then you may have become a case of COVID-19. You should immediately self-isolate and phone your GP without delay for medical advice. Your GP can arrange a COVID test if required. If you have no symptoms of COVID-19 during your 14 days of restricted movements, you will still need to complete the full 14-day period. Even if you have a negative COVID-19 test result, this is not a guarantee that you do not have or will not develop COVID-19 over the 14 days. I know that it will be challenging to restrict your movements for 14 days, but these actions will help to prevent the spread of COVID-19. By restricting your movements, you are helping to keep the community, including your family and loved ones, safe. I would like to sincerely thank you for restricting your movements. Further information on close contacts, restricting movement, and what that means for you is available on hse.ie.